and use gold light from your hands. So your hand chakras, the palm of each hand, and your fingertip chakras in each fingertip, you set them to a metallic gold color like this glitter, so that that's the color they're generating as they spin. You can unblock your hand chakras and fingertip chakras just a little bit extra. So let's do a little aura repair. You have 17 auras, astral body, physical body, and then 15 auras called your Wei Qi auras, W-E-I-C-H-I, Wei Qi, 2 words. Wei Qi is like strong boundaries energy, basically. Helps you to, keep harmful external energies outside of your space. You can just be and exist and thrive and do what you need to do in life. You just imagine all your 17 auras, a copy of those out in front of you. They're all in the same place pretty much when you're present. So it could look like one big bubble, but there's really 17 bubbles in the same place. So as you comb through it, just use your intuition and say, well, do I need aura repair? Worst case, if you know you need aura repair and you don't have a second to get it done, you could ask your angels to repair your aura for you. They may do it for you, or they may just say, yeah, make the time, do it. So it's good to get good at it and do it quickly. So just in case you need to. But anyway, you make a composite copy image of a rip and have that rip represent all the rips in your 17 auras that you have right now. And then as you repair this rip, you're repairing all the rips in the 17 auras. So make the image of a rip with your intention. You don't have to see energy yet to do that, to do any of this. You don't have to see it. But you make an image of a rip, and then you want to clean it out first. So the gold light does a good job at repairing. So to clean it out, you could do various things, but sticky gold wax is easy enough. So you just use gold light from your hands, but with your intention, it sticks and hardens and forms a lump around whatever's not you, so that then you can lift all that out at once and give it to your angels. So sticky gold wax, fill it up, have the junk become a lump, and give it to your angels. Angels, here you go. Sticky gold wax. Angels, here you go. So then you use the gold light, get it as deep as you can in the rips, in this composite copy rip, to clean everything out so that the rips grow back. And make sure you got rid of all the hard objects that were stuck in there. Give them to your angels. Angels, here you go. Angels, here you go. Angels, here you go. Make sure you got all the hard objects. Okay, so that probably repaired most of them, if not all, of the rips. But let's do it one more time just in case you have some leftover rips. So make one more composite copy rip and have this represent any leftover rips that you still have. And then do the same process. So sticky gold wax, have it stick to the hard objects, the invasive people, the invasive beings, any junk in there, and just lift all that junk out, give it to your angels. So sticky gold wax, lift out the junk, angels, here you go. Finish up the repair. You can say, angels, if there are any invasive beings in the way of this repair process, can you please recycle them? You may have some hardness left over either in the outer surface or a couple patches of hardness left over. So you can put copies of all that hardness in any of your auras out in front of you and melt it away, because the hardness creates a weakness in your auras. You want flow, and that makes your aura as strong as possible. So put copies of any aura hardness out in front of you so that you can melt it away. Gold light. Put copies of any aura hardness out in front of you, melt it away with gold light. Redo your gold buffer zones. All right, good enough.